Jurors deliberating in the John Wiley Price public corruption trial stopped working about 2:30 today without reaching a verdict. We asked trial attorney Chrysta Castañeda if it was possible they've come to an agreement on some of the counts that have been in dispute.
It is possible. It's also possible that they took the judge's Allen charge seriously, and they're just trying to do their best and make sure before they go back and announce they're still hung that they've done everything they can.
And she also says by now, jurors are not only frustrated, but physically depleted. Deliberations resume tomorrow morning. The jury in the John Wiley Price corruption trial asked the judge to wrap up early today. This on day 7 of deliberations. Fox 4's Sean Rabb is at the federal courthouse in downtown Dallas. Sean.
Heather, you know, these jurors now, they've really been going at it for 7 days. They are mentally spent, emotionally frustrated, and probably physically worn down because they're not able to come to unanimous verdicts on some of the counts against John Wiley Price and Daphne Faye. I asked trial attorney Chrysta Castañeda today how jurors negotiate, how they try to resolve their differences, the rules of engagement, because it's different from our negotiating.
You and I might say, you give a little, I'll give a little, and we'll come to an agreement. You give in on this issue, I'll give in on that issue. They are not supposed to do that. And so they have to just, again, be reminded to look at the evidence and make their best informed judgment based on their conscience and their view of the evidence.
And, you know, they may have made some progress. They may have come to some agreement on some of those counts that were outstanding. We don't know that, though, because there's been no communication with us from the court about the jurors and their work. In fact, the judge doesn't even know until the jury foreperson tells her we either have a verdict or we are hopelessly deadlocked. Back tomorrow morning for day 8. Heather?
All right, Sean, thank you.